Hi, I'm Ed Sobey, speaking to you from Seattle, Washington, in the United States. I am a scientist and I train science teachers around the world, even in Gujarat. I also founded the National Toy Hall of Fame and the National Inventors Hall of Fame here in the United States. I'm speaking to you today to encourage you to use this time that you have away from school. This is the only opportunity in your lifetime when you will have the time to explore, try new things, build things, get your creative ideas going. I'm urging you to use this time to your best advantage. And how do you do that? You look around you at the natural world and the man-made world, and you find things that interest you. Maybe it's the nest of a bird, maybe it's a clock or a child's toy. And once you have some ideas, then you try to build a model and use the materials that you can readily find. And it may look very different from the object you started looking at, but try to build a model and make it work and refine that model. As you do this, keep building up your supply of junk from which you can make lots of different things. Our most famous inventor, Thomas Edison, said, to invent, you need a good imagination and a pile of junk. So start collecting your pile of junk and figure out what pieces are valuable for you and what pieces are not valuable. So you start building projects, and as you have something, you show them to people around you who are smart people who may be able to give you some ideas. You're not trying to make a finished product. You're not trying to make something that's wonderful. You're trying to get some ideas, and you get them by building things and showing them to other people and talking to people. And a lot of the things you build will not work well. Successful people tell us always that to be successful, you have to be willing to go from one failure to the next failure without loss of enthusiasm. I hope you will use this time to build up your skill set in making things, build up your confidence in making things, build up your understanding of the world around you. And as you build these things and talk to people and gain that experience, in the process of doing that, I hope you have a lot of fun. Goodbye from the United States.